When Cebu City Mayor Edgar Labella made this call, Vice Mayor Mike Rama denied the accusation he is politicking. The mayor said Rama undermined Cebu City's efforts in addressing the health crisis by using politics. The vice mayor earlier questioned Labella's capacity to lead the city as the COVID-19 pandemic continues to rage. In January, Labella filed a medical leave due to an ear infection. After 3 days, he worked from home as advised by his doctor.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.